Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A31, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once our phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the ZTE logo on the screen, you can let go of the power key, keep holding volume up just in case, and this will boot us into recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to enter Fastboot mode. You could also select enter bootloader. It will also boot you into Fastboot mode, so both of them will work. And the only difference is when you enter Fastboot mode to the second one, here you actually have a easy option to kind of like leave this mode. So you would just select either reboot system now or power off, or go back to recovery mode, or if you have gone with the second one through the bootloader, which also boots us into Fastboot mode, this one, the second one, will require you to take out the battery and put it back in. So this one seems a little bit more convenient. Anyway, when you're in this Fastboot mode, considering there are two, you can navigate it the same way as you did in the recovery mode, using volume keys up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And because I want to leave this mode, I'll stick with the first option, confirm that, and this should now take me back to Android. And as you can see, I am now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.